Okay, 2020 QX50, going to replace the filter with a K&N filter. Apparently it's going to be pretty easy. Let's check it out. Okay, so here's the air box. It's actually pretty big. This is a giant filter. And then if you didn't know, the QX50 actually has ram air to the hood, and then there's baffling there to create airflow, or lack of airflow, or whatever. Anyways, let's undo these clips here. And that is it. You lift up the box and the filter, and you grab the filter. I can't do this with both my hands. Pull it out. The old filter, the new filter. The old filter is obviously quite new because the car is only a couple months old, but this should give me more airflow. Let me swap it out here. Okay, back. Just so you know, it does take a little bit of wiggling to get it in there, as it is, but it does end up fitting in there. And we'll close that up. And that's it. Any questions, comments, concerns, let me know.